like a Hellcat.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the Union Parliament, the Rajya Sabha part 2. So let's get started and do watch it till the end, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far. So let's get started. So in this chapter we are going to do the Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha. So the Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house and the Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. This arrow I have shown that they work for a common cause. Then the overview is that in this session we are going to do composition, election, qualification for membership, term, presiding officer. All these are all for Rajya Sabha. Then we have the composition. The Rajya Sabha consists of not more than 250 members. So the members fall into two categories: nominated and elected. The nominated members are 12 in number, and they are nominated by the president from among having special knowledge in which phases: literature, science, art, social service. This principle of nomination enabled distinguished persons to have a place in the upper chambers. So the composition: 12 from the various fields such as academics, sports, art. The president nominates them, and 238 members are elected by the states in the union. So 12 plus 238 is equal to 250 members in all. So these are some famous nominated members over the years: Mary Kom, Dr. Kasturi Rangan, Sachin Tendulkar, Dr. Sonal Mansingh, Suresh Gopi. So, what do you mean by election? How the Rajya Sabha members are elected? The representatives of each state of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the legislative assembly of each state in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Now, what do you mean by this term single transferable vote? Election, which is by secret ballot according to the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote system. Under this system, all the candidates are listed and the elector gives them number according to his preference. So next we have term of the Rajya Sabha. So the Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and never dissolves as a whole, but its members have a period of 6 years. One third of members retire every 2 years and new members are elected in their place. Then qualification of membership. In order to be chosen a member of the Rajya Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India. This is the foremost thing, that he should be a citizen of India and should be at least 30 years of age, should not be an insolvent, should have his or her name in the electoral rolls in some parts of the country, and should not hold any office of profit under the government. This profit of under the government means that he should not be a government employee, should not be a proclaimed criminal, should not be of unsound mind. Then we have the presiding officer. The presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha is ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, but the vice president is not a member of either house of parliament in the Rajya Sabha. He has no right to vote except to break a tie. So he is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. He presides over its meeting. He elects the deputy chairman from among its members. He presides over the house in the absence of chairman. Then we have powers and functions of the parliament. तो फर्स्ट है हमारे पास इंटरपेलेशन. इंटरपेलेशन जैसे मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी डिस्कस किया था कि द राइट टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन और द क्वेश्चन आर. द पर्पज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज टू ऑब्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन अ मैटर ऑफ पब्लिक इंपॉर्टेंस और टू वेंटिलेट अ grievance. So then we have vote of no confidence. So this vote of no confidence is moved by a member or leader of opposition. If the motion is carried, the government has to resign. Then we have adjournment motion. So this adjournment motion furnishes the opportunity to censure the act of omission and commission of the ministers and administration. Commission is an official group of people who are asked to find out something. So then we have other motions of censure and monetary controls. Monetary control: when the budget is under consideration, a cut motion may be moved. अब जो ये कट मोशन है ये क्या है, 3 काइंड्स के होते हैं। पार्लियामेंट कमिटी ऑन पब्लिक अकाउंट्स इंश्योर दैट पब्लिक मनी इज स्पेंट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद पार्लियामेंट्स डिसीजन। तो जो पब्लिक की मनी जो हमने टैक्सेस के द्वारा आई है वो उसे पार्लियामेंट डिसाइड करेगा कि कैसे हमने यूज़ करनी है। एंड इट एग्जामिन्स रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्रोलर एंड द ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। Then we have exclusive powers of the Lok Sabha. So motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced and passed only in the Lok Sabha. Money bills can only be introduced here and not in Rajya Sabha. Prevails over the Rajya Sabha in case of a deadlock over an ordinary bill due to its numerical strength. Then we have exclusive powers of Rajya Sabha. Two-third majority can empower the parliament to make laws with respect to the state list. It can declare that the creation of new all India services can be made in the national interest. Then we have, this is a sample question I am showing you, that what is the term of Rajya Sabha member. The term of Rajya Sabha member is 6 years. So this keyword I have highlighted with the red color. So it is important to include the keywords when you answer any type of question. Then you need to remember while writing your answers that write the keywords in every answer. Look at the marks allotted for every question and ensure you write as many points as the marks allotted. If 3 marks question is there, you need to write the 3 points. And avoid writing very lengthy answers. You need to just to write the points and in a very precisely manner. So put the question correct question numbers and avoid splitting your answers. Splitting your answers here mean that if answer 1 B part you are writing on first page and answer 1 E part you are writing on the last page, so that you need to avoid.
So this was all for the today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.